What are the 5 key IP and advertising risks faced by luxury and lifestyle brands today? First, with AI technologies going mainstream, including in the luxury goods sector, there is substantial legislative, judicial, and regulatory uncertainty about fundamental IP rights as well as required disclosures in connection with the advertising and influencer content. As it currently stands, content generated solely by AI with insufficient human input may not be entitled to IP protection in key jurisdictions. And the extent of human contribution and related authorship and ownership questions present highly factual issues, creating substantial litigation risks, both for brands and the creative agencies they may be relying on. At the same time, regulators are paying close attention to consumer protection issues related to consumer awareness whenever they interact with purely AI content, not humans. Similar to risks associated with disclosures of sponsored or influencer posts, brands should be paying close attention to disclosures associated with AI-generated content. Second, blockchain-enabled technologies are creating new solutions to major decades-old problems, but are also generating brand protection and reputational risks for luxury brands. We see the promise of non-fungible tokens or NFTs and blockchain in creating new, immutable, and reliable ways to authenticate and track luxury goods through their product life cycle to help fight counterfeits. At the same time, brands are facing proliferation of infringement in the form of NFTs, with unique jurisdictional and practical technological challenges to identifying infringers and removing the infringements. Third, ESG remains a high litigation risk, especially in the United States. The Federal Trade Commission is set to update the Green Guides addressing environmental marketing claims. And while previous class actions have largely focused on sustainability claims made by CPG companies, we have seen more class actions targeting carbon emissions, recyclability, and other sustainability claims against fashion and lifestyle brands. Fourth, and relatedly, risks associated with the supply chain continue to be high, including false advertising risks for marketing claims relying on data provided by third-party suppliers. Fifth, luxury brands should be aware of the fast-developing legislative and class action landscape related to user data, including biometric data in connection with digital try-on and similar tools. In key jurisdictions like the U.S., use of such biometric data carries substantial risks of class action challenges with hefty statutory damages in some states. More than before, IP and advertising issues are closely intertwined with cutting-edge technology developments, requiring brands and their counsel to look at the new product or ad campaign launches holistically to evaluate and spot material risks.